Hello again. Let's make a karaoke video. In the top left corner of the screen, we want to click on the LRC button. Then we want to click on the full mode box. In the left and right window of the screen, you will see lines of text. These are from the last karaoke video you made, so we want to delete these lines of text. Above the right window where you see layer, you want to click on the orange folder icon and click on New in the drop-down menu. Now the texts are gone. Now we need our new music and text. Up in the left-hand corner, you want to click on the music box, click on Browse, find the karaoke folder we made, and then double-click on the MP3 file. Now it's imported into the program. Now we need some text. We want to go to the top left, click on the text box, click on Browse, and then we want to double-click on the text file. And now that's imported into our program. Now you can see lines of text you're going to use to create your lyrics in your video. The top orange line of text is the title of your video. Now above the line of text there are three yellow buttons. The middle button is the Start to Record button. The one on the right is the Stop Recording button. Once you click on the Record button, the music will begin to play and you will create your lyrics by holding down your space bar at the beginning of each line of text and releasing your space bar at the end of each line of text. Again, hold down your space bar at the beginning of each line of text and release it at the end of each line of text. And you'll do this or repeat this for every line of text. Now, a lot of songs have an instrumental refrain or what I call a break somewhere in between the lyrics. The one we're using today doesn't. I will show you how to create the breaks in between the lyrics in another video. Let's go ahead and click on the yellow Record button. Okay, I made a mistake. Let's go ahead and click on the Stop Recording button. Okay, we have 4 lines of checked lyrics on the right. And so we need to start again. So we're going to go up above where you see layer 1 and click on the orange folder icon. And then we're going to drop down and click on the Remove All Checked Lines of Current layer. And now the lyrics are gone. And we can start over again. So anytime you make a mistake, just go up here to the top right and click on Remove All Checked Lines of Current layer. Okay, let's go ahead and start again. Hold it down. Hold it down, release it. 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 Okay, so usually I just sing in my head along with the music. Okay, let's go ahead all the way. Well, let's see how our video came out. Let's go down to the bottom left corner and click on the play or preview button. And now we can see what our karaoke video looks like. And if we've made any mistakes. Whoops, misspelling. Making spirits bright. Jingle bell, jingle bell. Oh, we have some lines of lyrics running out of the screen. Don't want that. Okay, so only a couple problems. I want to go ahead and correct those. So first thing we're going to do is the misspelling. We're going to go up here to line 4 and click on "or," the fields we go, and we're going to insert a V. Okay. So you can change words here, lines of text, and correct your misspelling. Let's go up to the right and click on the Font Plus box and click to set to all lines. And this is a window that shows you what lines of font you have in this program, or a list. Let's click on the plus font, and we see that this is an Arial font, and we could change that here. There we go. And we want to make the text smaller, so we're going to make it 50. Remember, some of the line of text was going off the screen. Okay, over to the left, I want to click on this A with the red outline, and then I'm going to go over here up to the right where I see the blue outline color, and I'm going to click on red to make sure everything is right. Okay. Let's go down here to the right corner of this window and click on OK. And now it's in our list of fonts we're using. And it's Arial, red and white, and size 50. Let's hit OK. Let's review our video again. Click on the play preview button. Spelling is corrected. We don't have any text going off the screen. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's go ahead and stop it. And now we're going to go on the bottom all the way over to the right, and we see a blue box. It says choose a background. Let's click on that. And we can fill our background with color, an image, a video, and do a number of other things. Let's fill it with color. And let's go up here and click in this window in the green, choose green, hit OK. Let's go down and preview it. Okay, that looks good. And let's go back to the right. Now, the choose a background box is green. Let's click on it and fill it with an image. Okay, in our karaoke folder, let's double click on the red image, and let's see what that looks like. That looks pretty good. Okay, not bad. Let's go back to the right again. This time we're going to bring back our video, fill with video, click on that. In our photo, double click on the video we're going to use, and let's preview it again. Okay. Now let's go to the bottom here, and we have the appear box and disappear box. Let's click on the appear box. You have a lot of choices of the way you want your lyrics to appear in your video. Choose the one you like. Let's click on the disappear box. Same thing, lots of choices of the way you want your lyrics to disappear in your video. Now let's go all the way over to the left, and here's the karaoke effect show, and let's click on that. And we have normal show, we have 1 and 2 line shows, we have word by word, sentence by sentence, and a lot of 3D karaoke shows. Let's click on the word by word. And let's preview that. That looks good. One word at a time. Okay, let's click on the effects box again, and let's choose the best 3D show. A little bit too wild for me. I don't like that one. Maybe you do, but I don't. So let's go ahead and pick my favorite. And it's the 2 lines. And let's preview that. I like to see the next verse coming up before I sing it. Kind of prepares me when I sing it. Okay, that looks good. Now there are a lot of other things you can do here to edit your videos. And we're going to talk about these in other videos. But right now we want to save our video to a folder in our computer. So we're going to go all the way up to the top, again above where you see layer 1. Click on the orange folder icon. Come all the way down on the drop-down menu and click on Render to Video. And then we find the folder where we want to save our video, give it a name, and that is the way it works. So let's cancel that. Now, down here on the right, we have the Save As, Save, and the Exit file. When we save down here, we will be able to save to a folder a special file so that if we ever need to come back and edit that same video, it will already just open up in the software. We don't have to start all over again. And we'll show you that at another time. Okay, if this video helped you in any way, please subscribe to my channel. And please like this video. And thank you for watching, and you have a great day.